Crash course on NASA and its contributions to space exploration. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is the United States government agency responsible for leading the country's efforts in space exploration and scientific discovery. Founded in 1958, NASA has been instrumental in advancing our understanding of the universe and our place in it through a wide variety of missions, experiments, and research projects. NASA's contributions to space exploration. NASA has achieved many milestones in its long history, including the following. Landing humans on the Moon. In 1969, NASA made history by landing humans on the Moon for the first time. The Apollo 11 mission was a monumental achievement, demonstrating the power of human ingenuity and technological innovation. Neil Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," still inspire people around the world today. Developing the Space Shuttle. NASA developed the Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft that was used to ferry astronauts and equipment to and from space. The Space Shuttle program ran from 1981 to 2011 and helped to launch many important missions, including the Hubble Space Telescope and the International Space Station. Launching the Hubble Space Telescope. NASA launched the Hubble Space Telescope in 1990, and it has since become one of the most important scientific instruments in history. The telescope has captured countless stunning images of distant galaxies, stars, and other celestial objects, and has helped scientists to better understand the universe. Exploring Mars. NASA has sent a number of missions to Mars, including the Viking program in the 1970s, the Mars Pathfinder mission in 1996, and the Mars Exploration Rover Spirit and Opportunity in 2003. The agency's most recent Mars mission, the Mars Perseverance rover, landed on the Red Planet in February 2021 and is currently exploring the surface in search of signs of past microbial life. Studying Earth from space. NASA has launched a number of satellites and other instruments to study Earth from space, including the Earth Observing System, which provides data on a wide range of environmental factors, such as air and water quality, land use, and climate change. Interesting stories and examples. NASA has been involved in many exciting and groundbreaking projects over the years, and here are a few interesting stories and examples that highlight some of the agency's most memorable moments. 1. The Apollo 13 mission. The Apollo 13 mission was supposed to be the third manned mission to land on the Moon, but it quickly turned into a life-or-death struggle for the 3 astronauts aboard the spacecraft. A catastrophic explosion damaged the spacecraft's oxygen system, leaving the crew stranded in space. Thanks to the heroic efforts of the NASA team on the ground and the ingenuity of the astronauts themselves, the crew was able to return safely to Earth. 2. The Voyager mission. The Voyager mission was launched in 1977 with the goal of exploring the outer planets of our solar system. The 2 Voyager spacecraft carried a variety of scientific instruments and cameras and sent back stunning images and data about Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Today, both Voyager spacecraft are still operational and are the most distant human-made objects in space, more than 14 billion miles away from Earth. 3. The Mars Pathfinder mission. The Mars Pathfinder mission, launched in 1996, was the first successful mission to land a rover on the surface of Mars. The mission demonstrated the feasibility of using rovers to explore the Martian surface and paved the way for future Mars missions, including the Mars Exploration Rovers and the Mars Perseverance rover. 4. The Hubble Space Telescope repairs. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured some of the most iconic and breathtaking images of the universe, but it wasn't always smooth sailing. In 1990, shortly after its launch, scientists discovered a flaw in the telescope's primary mirror that caused images to appear blurry. In 1993, NASA launched the first Hubble servicing mission, which included a team of astronauts who performed a series of intricate repairs and upgrades on the telescope. Over the years, NASA has launched several more servicing missions, which have helped to keep the telescope in operation and have allowed it to capture even more stunning images of the cosmos. 5. The International Space Station. The International Space Station, ISS, is a joint project between NASA, the Russian Space Agency, and several other international partners. The ISS is a habitable artificial satellite that orbits Earth, and it has been continuously occupied since November 2000. The station has been used for a wide range of scientific experiments and has been a key platform for studying the effects of long-term spaceflight on the human body. Conclusion: NASA has made countless contributions to space exploration and scientific discovery over the past 60 years. From landing humans on the moon to studying the Earth from space, NASA has helped to expand our knowledge of the universe and our place in it. Through its groundbreaking missions and innovative technology, NASA has inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers, and its legacy will continue to inspire us for many years to come. Here is a romantic poem on NASA space exploration. In the vastness of space, where stars twinkle and shine, a love story unfolded, of NASA and space, divine. A journey of exploration, to the depths of the unknown. A quest to uncover secrets of the universe, overthrown. With each launch, a new adventure. A new chapter to be written. A romance between science and sky. A bond, forever unbidden. From the first steps on the moon, to the Hubble's cosmic view. The love of NASA and space is a passion, forever true. As rockets pierce the heavens, and satellites orbit above, the love between NASA and space is a testament of cosmic love. For in the depths of the universe, where stars and planets collide, the romance of NASA and space is a love, forever tied. So let us celebrate this love of exploration and the skies. For the love of NASA and space will forever, eternally rise. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.